Personality interview, yes, you can ask any question, but question be wo hono ma wo busa wan kasa na se utimi de adwene. Delay wuti hui sa wo ntemu a nkakre nkoye wo yemu ba. Sa wo yemu ba ko interview ni ye busa no de emfa virgin de en nto nchen. Why ne breaki wo virginity? So if you delay, there are some questions you want to ask, because some of the questions should have been directed to the mother and not make the girl feel embarrassed.
Do you think that the lady was embarrassed?
Oh, yes. The lady felt embarrassed. Now, we share body language in the idea. The lady felt very embarrassed. Yes, interviews, I will want the trends. But trends, no, so yemfanyansa, yemfanto. Any delay, and I'm me busan why any dinner, never papa ne.
Ghana entertainment industry. Eya. Yanka bianshem ana enra yehu se delay interview ama yeboa. Eye ye nyina ye wo fase a se bi all trendy wo socials ne so no. Na se de nyina enim no delay nipa akọ platform ne so a okọ all out. In Ghana o pesabi oba wa born home modern a build a brand for itself in the media industry. Metima ka say ye can top 2 a untibi ni delay in frame. Ana delay nim no wa build a star bi for itself o kon platform ni so a unim said the baby obekọ. And star no. Video not trendy. Sabi epuna bie ama yeboa ene ne maame ne nabusua nyina. Video ni trendy wie ye no. Ye hu de ye. Ani hu say DJ Slim enso akofa ma bia beta ne platform ne so. Se omo me attack delay. Se medical catch say Slim eye nipa. Nia why na adwin nyina ne say obi a wabɔ ne home modern wɔ Ghana entertainment industry mu bi a wayɛ kɛseɛ biara no sɛ ɔyɛ biribi a ɔbɛkɔ akɔfa ɛmaa bi abɛtena platform ne so ama ɛmaa no abɛ disrespect nipa korɔ wayɛ na adwene sɛ ɔde disrespect ana building a brand no baba ma study nansan kakra ɛkamea sɛ wane na mu a amfa ana bi a ɔde wahi asɛm ɛkɔto Slim anim ana Slim so kyerɛw sɛ ɔno ɔde ne platform ne bɛma now they are disrespecting a man for sɛ bɛyɛ wo nso kan ya bɛsɔ delay on disrespecting obi a no adrum pɛmpɛn so na wadru no mo nso mo platform ne bi now ama yɛ boa no ɔbɛyɛ public figure mo nso mo hia no wɔ mo platform ne so a mo dia ne sɛ mo bɛto nsa afra akwadaa no na bia nhyehyɛ bia wɔ bia mo ne na yɛ na ɔno nso aba mo platform ne so na bia mo questions a mo hu sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ mo busa no na ma busa no na mom no enya questions a delay ko busa no eno na mo eya baba ma Slim enyo yodium na say me hu say what disrespecting nipa bebre our platform ni so come here say obi anya ma attention ba baby a okeka kono ye kan food dia fro no mame also your bani bi to say delay one contract man for platform so anchor disrespect a man for no they build a brand or the intuma scene yam a consistent aya dear no over the years and wadrum pempensona wadru no bibia no abetima kan for delay ho a sabi oda ye woma delay any respect a ma delay no e be sesada also your body bi also no build a brand ni bi say even YouTube that former kwa build dia now no ka kuta be 1 million following ni nyina untimi nya bi anu nti no nya afa na wo be kire se onim delay ana wo nsem for delay ho ni bibi mame e Muslim nya yodium because ba bia wo kika kono me ka no kra kire wo e kamia se nan say disrespect about wanu mu papa. Just say obia na adwene so oma attention because unye bibi papa bia wo say u look it down obia ebia that personality no a reply wo enu ntina so obia bu nani agu so no But okay, can call a bunumu. Disrespect and kobe bia. Me na me can no crachro. Disrespect. Nifo from I say who. But over create enemies for yourself. Disrespect. And Ghana pen na say sia no who said disrespect a entertainment. Ghana pe. Ana yenim said disrespect a entertainment. E just baby any ho. Baby any ho we ase a atemdidie any looking down any what would they mention no. A entertainment. Any entertainment no. Any entertainment no. Sabi akwada no. Most mo betimi de na ba slim mo so betimi de na ba platform ni so. Sabi mo na mo se munim de. Mo na munim interview ye. Mo so mo nkofa na platform ni so. Na bia ne mo so de mo pese mo busa no no. Mo musa no. Na mo de delay aye ne de. Mo nkama no ntum. Mo nkama no ntum. Baba ma bonte me kasa biem jaje oye no. Kama no ntum. Ne ehu de wa ye bia e o Ghana. Ye hu hwe. Watching three platforms bebre so. Sabi o talent no. Anasa o favor na enka wadrum pempen so bi. Ye woi ya ye body anya banche. Emu da ho a won so build your platform. Next so we interview ye na baye kese o Ghana na won so ye modin. But delay there. What for mami. Eya. Slim. Bibia onimre. Odie koswa. De bia no kofa ma na beguo no ma be dia man fatem. No kofa ma beguo no ma be disrespect man for de bia. De bia koswa ne koso. Eye no ni age. Ye destroy man for no ni age. Odie koswa ne ye. Koswa. Bibia wona hyase bia wona wiye. Ba we nya ade a sabi delay obefiu. Dabi. Nya ade delay obefiu. Dabi. You know. As at the road nam you know. On just say David delay kro ohumpo. Oh. Hey. Delay. Wait. Nya ade delay be fi no. On fi no. On just say. On fi no. Uko ni say ya, ube create enemies. Name content creators na de be hwe nkwan, but enko ba bia. Oda ye wo ma delay. Now to be consistent for years na delay edi ewo screen ni so no. O ka say a joke. Eye easy aye bia. YouTube channel no, YouTube platform no bia ye nyiska. Enti ye bi. So na onim de, una wo information, also create bibi ma ye hwe. And you be a born home modern a beauty bibi no, and I will bet say unim say no. Then I need for interview. Dear partner unim for interview. Interview Papa Ben Abel yasi why ya e be my da o my yasun kwedidi. Hey yo. No. Ghana entertainment industry on Asia.